Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Cancer. So, we'll be picking one card for your daily energies, one card for your career situation, guys, and one card for your relationship. So, this is the card for your daily reading, daily energies. So this is for your career and this is for your relationship, guys. So we'll turn the cards now. So for your general energies, it is 3 of wands in reverse. For your work, 4 of pentacles in reverse, and for your relationship, King of Pentacles. Cancers, with this card, the energy for you all is that certain situations were there, certain things were troubling you, and you had certain disappointments in your life. This may relate to your work situation or in your relationship or personal life. So those troubles are coming to an end, guys. So whatever you were facing, that confusion, those disappointments, something or some people who were working against you, they are moving away from you, or you are feeling some kind of success today in your situation, some kind of happiness, because those things, whatever was disappointing you and whatever was causing the stress, those things are moving away. So that is the energy for your general reading, guys. And 4 of pentacles in reverse, this is for your career situation. This relates to your career, guys. So there are some kind of delays, maybe in your collaborations, in your business collaborations, or certain financial deals that you are going in with. So certain things are coming in between. Some obstacles are there in reaching that what you want to reach, whatever you are expecting. You feel a certain weakness because of that, and you feel your opportunities are being limited. So the way to proceed with things, that is limited, and you are unable to, what to say, work freely to reach those goals, whatever you want to reach. So some kind of obstacles and opposition, resistance you are facing today, guys, in your career. So if you are looking for a new job, so that decisions may delay. So that is also the energy here. So the card relating to your relationship, King of Pentacles. In this relationship, guys, you share a stable, secure bond with this person. You feel that comfort and you love them a lot, and you have that great compatibility in your relationship. And this person also is a very what to say, is a very talented individual. That is what you feel about them, the way they handle things, the way they exhibit their abilities. It is truly a wonderful thing, and you feel great attraction towards them in this relationship. So that is the energy here, guys. So though things may not be going so well in your work or in your work situation or in your business, there are certain obstacles to be faced. In your relationship, you are sharing a very good bond with this person. You have that clear understanding with them, guys. So that is the energy here with these cards. Let us see what is the angels guidance for you all today, Cancers. Happiness. Sometimes in life we simply forget all that um, things that give us joy, so we go on with our day to day life without recognizing those things, guys. So a simple smile from another person, from a stranger, or the beautiful sunrise, or just uh, a breeze, a cool breeze, whatever brings us, inspires our heart, and uplifts us in those sad times. So all that we just forget, we do not enjoy. So when we um, realize that, when we realize those simple things that are there around us to make us happy, we simply experience that joy and the sense of celebration in ourselves, guys, in our heart of hearts. And when we do that, we are really happy. And when we help somebody, some stranger, with a smile, or with few words of help, may not be a monetary help, but words, and maybe spending time with them, when we help someone in even in a small way, it just brings great happiness to us, guys, and we open our hearts to more joy and celebration in our life. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, Cancers, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.